Introducing Milwaukee ratchet and socket sets. With 4 flat sides, the sockets feature an anti-roll design and are wrench-ready for maximum versatility. A 90-tooth ratchet design gives 4 degrees of arc swing, allowing users to work in tighter spaces. Removable inner trays allow users to place the sockets in steel storage for ultimate organization. Covered by Milwaukee's Mechanics Hand Tool Lifetime Guarantee, this anti-roll wrench-ready ratchet and socket set will give users maximum versatility.
For over 100 years, Lennox has been the gold standard in cutting, helping tradesmen stand out on the job by delivering tools that provide longer life, superior durability, and faster cutting to get the job done. In 2011, Lennox delivered the innovative Speed Slot Hole Saw, setting a new benchmark for wood cutting performance. With a taller body and the category's first ever staircase design, Lennox made plug removal faster and easier, helping you go from unproductive to unplugged in seconds. Now, Lennox has done it again, introducing the new Speed Slot Hole Saw with T3 technology, designed to give you 50% longer life and 2 times the durability. The new Speed Slot Hole Saw with T3 technology has larger teeth, optimized to cut more efficiently, removing more wood with each rotation to cut longer and faster. The saw's wall is now 10% thicker, increasing strength and durability. Whether you're cutting softwood, plywood, or engineered lumber like OSB, the new design cuts through the toughest materials with ease. Even hardwoods or pressure-treated lumber pose no challenge. The new Speed Slot Hole Saw with T3 technology gives you 50% longer life and 2 times the durability. Try one today.
No longer will you need to search for wrenches or lose lock nuts or flanges. X-Lock is a toolless quick change system that makes accessory changes up to 5 times faster than traditional threaded lock nut mounting. The X-Lock system makes accessory changes in 3 easy steps. Pull the lever all the way back to the unlock position. Push the wheel in to attach. And when it comes time to change the wheel, pull the lever up to quickly release. Available X-Lock accessories include diamond blades, cutoff wheels, grinding wheels, multi-discs, and wire brushes. Select accessories are backwards compatible and work with standard 7/8" arbor angle grinders.
The Madison Electric Products SmartBox Shark Tooth Fixture Box is the latest innovation from the Sparks Innovation Center. The Shark Tooth is the first of its kind fixture box that actually cuts its own hole for mounting. The Shark Tooth is UL listed and features our patented integrated hole saw and a 9/16 lug for easy installation. The included hole saw cuts a perfect hole every time, and the swing clamps make secure mounting a breeze. Using your cordless drill and a 9/16 driver, place the pilot guide pin on your center mark. As you start to drill, be sure to angle the box 5 to 7 degrees and let the Shark Tooth's built-in hole saw do the rest. Once the perfect hole is cut, discard the saw blade. Run your wire through the built-in non-metallic wire clamps and place the fixture box in the hole. Once the box is properly seated, tighten the 3 swing clamps to safely secure the fixture box to the drywall. As with all SmartBox products, all 832 device holes are machine threaded and non-metallic cable clamps are built right into the design. The Shark Tooth is ideal for pendant lighting, smoke detectors, wall sconces, and all small fixtures. So the next time you need to mount a fixture, be sure to ask for the SmartBox Shark Tooth and think inside the box.
For crimps in large diameter duct and pipe, or for simply large crimping jobs, The Malco Turbo Tool C5A drill attachment makes fast, easy, precise crimps in galvanized steel up to 24 gauge. The crimper attaches to a drill you already own. With the drill at low forward speed, the rotation of the meshing teeth on adjacent gears provides the desired crimp. A lever control opens gears for easy insertion and removal of metal. A 9-to-1 gear reduction ensures safety and control. Get the professional results you want, faster, easier, with the professional tools you need. Tools of the Trade by Malco.